let's look at this NECO question 2025. So this is algebraic equation. So let's see how we solve this. So we have 5 into y plus 2 minus 2 into 3y minus 5 equals 4. Now we are going to expand. We will remove the brackets. What do? We use this outer term to multiply all what we have in the brackets. So we have 5 times y, that's 5y, then 5 times 2, that's 10, minus, so 2 times 3y, that will give us 6y, minus times minus, that will give us what? Plus. So 2 times 5, that's 10, equals 4. Now we collect like terms. So we have 5y minus 6y plus 10 equals 4. Now let's add up. So 5y minus 6y, that will give us minus y. Then 10 plus 10, that will give us plus 20 plus 20. So equals 4. So we are going to transpose. Move this to the other side. So we have minus y equals 4 minus 20. Then minus y. So 4 minus 20, that will give us minus 16. So we can cancel out the minus sign on both sides. So therefore, the value of y is 16. So if you look at this, the correct option here is option D. So I hope you got this. Like, share, and follow for more. See you next time.